Forget the drive-thru. We're going to bring the fast food to you. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who's going to show us what's cooking today.
We're going to do a smash burger.
Ooh.
We're going to make a special sauce.
Special sauce.
Okay, this is going to take your burger game to the next level.
Yes.
You got to toast your buns. While these are toasting,
We're layering. You think of everything.
absolutely. This burger meat is 100% brisket. You want high fat content for a good burger.
Sure.
Now we're gonna take some of our nice sea salt here. You gotta salt your meat. You're gonna take a little bit of wax paper right here, smash these down. Now while those are going, we're gonna start making our secret sauce. Mayo, yellow mustard, white vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder, sweet paprika, sweet relish, and we mix, mix, mix. I'm giving up the goods right now. We're gonna add the cheese on top, and we're gonna start building our burgers, huh?
Do it. You need to make these. So head to our website, news12.com. You'll find the recipe there. Only you would think of this.
Yeah, I know.
Amazing.